Question 7a, the probability of a type 1 error. A type 1 error is rejecting the null hypothesis when it's true. And if the critical region is x greater than or equal to 10, that's the same as saying you reject the null hypothesis when x is greater than or equal to 10. And this has got to happen when lambda is 6. And we work this out by saying 1 minus the probability that x is less than or equal to 9. And that comes to 0.0839. Part B. Probability of a type 2 error. This is accepting H0 when it's false. When do we accept H0? When it's in the opposite of the critical region, which is x less than or equal to 9. And we do this when lambda is 11. So we look up lambda is 11, x less than or equal to 9, and that turns out to be 0.3405. Part C. The critical region is x greater than or equal to r. And we want to find the probability of a type 1 error. And we're saying that probability x greater than or equal to r is going to be less than 0.1, and that's going to happen when lambda is 6. And that's the same as saying x is less than or equal to r minus 1 when lambda is 6. And that probability is greater than 0.9. So we look at lambda equals 6. We look for the first probability bigger than 0.9. And the first one that ticks that box is going to be 9. That means r minus 1 is greater than or equal to 9. And therefore r is greater than or equal to 10. So that guarantees that the probability of a type 1 error is less than or equal to 0.1. But we've also got to ensure that the probability of a type 2 error is less than 0.1. Probability of a type 2 error, when do we accept H0? Well, we accept H0 when x is less than or equal to r minus 1. And that's got to be less than 0.1. And that's got to happen when lambda is 18. And we're looking for the last number which ticks that box. And the last number is 12. So we're saying r minus 1 is less than or equal to 12, and r is less than or equal to 13. So basically, to stop a probability of a type 1 error being more than 0.1, we need r greater than or equal to 10. To stop a probability of a type 2 error being more than 0.1, we need r less than or equal to 13. So those are the numbers that must satisfy it. Obviously, r's got to be a whole number, so that's the answer.